my favorite things also about the UCV program is that there are a lot of activities to help you bond with the other international students, and in particular other Americans. So we have 2 different weekend-long trips that we go on all together, and they were both really incredible opportunities to get to know everyone better and get to know the diversity of Spain, because it's a very big and beautiful country all together.
Yeah, well, one of the trips, the first trip we went to was, can you say it in your accent?
Tarragona.
And then the second trip we went to was
Sevilla y Córdoba.
And it's interesting because the trips are placed like a month apart. So it was kind of, we had one trip at the beginning when, I mean, our Spanish isn't as good as it is now, and then we had the second trip. And I just remember when we were ordering dinner in Cordoba, I thought that you could really see how everyone's Spanish had grown, and then also how we as a group, I think, had more fun and were more comfortable with each other. And yeah, I think to have that 1 month gap too was cool, to see how we changed. Yeah.
The trips were also linked up with our curriculum in some ways. So we were talking all about the Roman legacy in Spain and in Valencia, and then we went to another city to go see Roman ruins and talk about that history and that legacy. So it was very connected to what we're learning in some of our classes, and it just, that sort of connection between the classroom learning and the everyday out of classroom learning, which happens in all aspects of life, especially when you're studying a language or studying culture, is really powerful. I think that's one of the best parts.
De acuerdo.